the way we collect energy today is broken. And every single company that's trying to change and disrupt this industry is doing it wrong. Just to give you an idea how we do it today. So this is the reality today. We are producing 80% of our primary energy through coal, natural gas, and oil. And the implications of this is immense. Our biodiversity is being destroyed. Islands are literally disappearing off the map of our Earth, and our cities are in our atmospheres are being destroyed because of the pollution that we were creating. And there are other companies that are trying to produce energy using wind. They're trying to use hydropower. They're trying to use nuclear fusion and fission to produce energy, but they're forgetting the one thing that's in our backyard, and that's the sun. And it's throwing free energy away every second, and it's enough energy to power all of Earth. And this is where Helios 2 comes in. We want to change the way solar energy is currently being collected, and we want to send it to every single city on Earth, whether it be the slums in India or the city that we're currently in, Toronto. So let's step back a minute. Here's the sun, and here's the Earth. Our plan is to actually put a satellite in an orbit around the Earth, and this orbit is called the sun-synchronous orbit. In this orbit, the satellite is always facing the sun, and it's always producing energy. And our plan is to create antennas on the ground that are able to collect the energy that's being sent from the satellites to the Earth. And the way it's going to be sent is using microwaves. And this way, we're able to power all of Earth's energy needs. And you guys may be asking whether it's actually possible or not. Well, all the pieces are already in front of us. It's just that nobody's putting them together. The first obvious question is, how are we going to get a satellite and a lot of the solar panels into space itself? And we've been sending stuff into space for decades now. And it's gotten to a point where private companies are in this industry, and they're doing it for a couple of $100 million. And as for solar panels, we'll be sending that to space as well. And to actually achieve this project, we will need approximately 60,000 square kilometers of solar panels, or about one Norway's worth of solar panels. And that can be sent to space using space origami. And we can pack a lot of solar panels into a very small space. As for producing the energy itself, we have currently been discovering quantum dots and how effective they are at producing energy. And they can be up to 60 to 80% effective. And as for sending the energy back to Earth, we can use that doing microwaves. And actually, the military has been looking into this field for a while now, and they're actually producing weapons. So this right here is a weapon that can send microwaves in a very focused area and target specific people. And they're also looking into using microwaves to destroy long-range missiles. So this technology is all in front of us, except nobody's using it. And with Helios 2, we will be able to capture all of our energy needs and be able to give energy to the poorest people on the Earth. And we won't need to suffer like we're suffering today. And we'll be able to produce energy in a sustainable way and be able to live on this planet for a long period of time. We also have a website and article and one-pager. You guys can check that out. It's live at the moment. Thank you.